Hi. In this video, I will show you how to do tracking on Capcut. So basically, how to track an object right here. All you have to do is to import a video and then look for the specific area where you want to start your tracking. So let's just say I want to zoom in. I want to see the movement of this ball right here. So you can add a text and then change this into dot. But actually, this one is optional. This is just to trace the movement of the ball. But actually, everything is up to you. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to add keyframe, go to video, basic, transform, and then add keyframe. And then every time you add keyframe, you can do a movement. Like you need to zoom in the video. For example, this one right here. And then add another keyframe and then zoom in again. But this time, you can try to trace the movement or track the movement with the help of this dot or this, circle right here. So basically, in order for you to track a motion, all you have to do is to simply add keyframes. And then after adding keyframes, you can now change the motion or you can now change the scale of the specific object. Either you're going to zoom in or zoom out. But of course, you need to zoom in order for you to track the movement of that object. So as you can see here, I'm just adding keyframe. Every time I add, I zoom in at the object. Okay, add keyframe again and then zoom in. So basically, there will be multiple of keyframes right here to see the exact result. Okay, to see the movement or to track the movement of a specific object. Anyways, after adding multiple keyframes and then zooming in, then the result should be like this. When I play the video, it will zoom in and it will track the motion of that specific object. So actually, this is what it looks like. And basically, this is just a basic tutorial on how to do tracking on CapCut. So this is the result. I'm going to show you again. Let me play the part where I do the tracking of the object. You can have your own way, but the main idea is that you just have to add keyframes, move the object, zoom the video to be exact, add keyframes again, zoom in. And that's how you basically do tracking on CapCut. So I hope this video helped you. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next videos.